Hello internationalists. Hi, this is Kundan of class 10D. Give it a happy morning. Let's get into the topic right away. The topic is open dumping and landfills. Let's get into open dumping first. Open dumping, the dumping of waste materials in open land, is known as open dumping. It is the cheapest method of waste disposal. It does not need much planning. Waste is just carried to the site and dumped. It is good to see dumping like this, but if it is like this, you have to think a bit. Open sites spoil the aesthetics of the area. It becomes breeding ground for insects and rodents. They give out foul odor when the waste starts rotting. The burning of the waste in open dumping causes air pollution. During rainfall, the waste may be carried to nearby water bodies and contaminate them. How would you like to see your surroundings? Choose yourself. The rate of open dumping. Landfills. This is the method where the land is dug up and filled with waste and covered with soil again. The site is covered with earth, which prevents insects and rodents. Less chance of spread of pathogenic diseases as vectors are not able to reach the waste. The waste is disposed without causing any public health hazards. The methane gas produced can be as a non-polluting source of energy.
A sanitary landfill is an excellent method of solid waste management. Initially, a large pit or depression is made by the removal of topsoil. It is then lined with a synthetic plastic in order to prevent leakage from waste materials. This is called a bottom liner. Garbage wastes are dumped into the landfill and properly compressed using specialized machines. Pipes are inserted in order to drain off liquid materials that ooze out following compression. Methane gas produced by the decomposition of wastes is collected into separate pipes. This is done to prevent explosions. The methane may now be burned to generate heat and electricity. Daily wastes are covered by layers of clay and topsoil in order to prevent exposure to the air, pests, and to prevent a foul smell. Specialized storm water pipes are fitted to divert and control water runoff from rains and storms. This is an ideal method for the disposal of solid wastes.
Disadvantages. Methane and carbon dioxide are the two major gases produced from the decomposition of the organic fraction of solid landfill. Both gases are greenhouse gases which cause global warming. Leachate is originated. It is the substance originated from the landfill or garbage containing harmful substances percolates down the soil and reaches the groundwater.
All this junk litters our planet and lots of it ends up in the sea. In the middle of the Pacific Ocean, there are 2 islands of rubbish that together are over 5 times the size of the whole of England. No one has worked out how to clean them up, so they're just getting bigger. Rubbish that isn't recycled goes into enormous pits called landfill. These pits are filled to the top with rubbish and then covered over. But as the rubbish rots, it produces lots of a gas called methane. Methane is what is known as a greenhouse gas. Too much greenhouse gas changes the world's climate and makes it hotter. Also, nasty poisonous liquid leaks out, and this has to be treated like sewage to make it safe. Yuck! In Devon alone, the amount of rubbish going to landfill weighs around the same as 7,682 jumbo jets.
Anything in proper way is good, but in wrong way it will lead to problems. Thank you.